Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. Supreme Court issues notice to Centre, CBSE and NCERT on plea challenging CBSE's three-language policy for Class 9, seeks replies in 10 days while raising concerns over teachers, textbooks and implementation readiness. Court says it will protect teachers if they face action, but refuses to stay the policy, observing learning a language never goes waste. Jharkhand Education Project Council invites proposals to equip the remaining 288 government PM Shri schools with smart classrooms, including installation of digital learning infrastructure and 3-year maintenance, to integrate digital content into classroom teaching and promote interactive, technology-enabled learning under the PM Shri scheme. Supreme Court expresses concerns over CBSE's Class 12 on-screen marking evaluation system, observes the frustration of young children while hearing petitions challenging the assessment process, asks the board to address students' grievances while tagging the matter with similar pending cases. CBSE to conduct free offline capacity building programs in Nashik, Ghaziabad, New Delhi, Raipur, Kolkata and Haridwar from 17 to 28 July to train school leaders and teachers on implementation of skill education in classes 6 to 8 using NCERT's Kaushal Board activity books. Participants asked to confirm registration with venue schools. For complete schedule and venue details, refer to the official CBSE notification. Supreme Court questions CBSE's classification of English as a non-native language under the three-language policy, asks if a language spoken in India for more than 300 years and used for official communication in several states can be excluded from the category of indigenous Indian languages. Delhi government to begin distribution of 1.3 lakh free ISI certified bicycles to Class 9 girl students in government and government-aided schools from the end of July under the Mukhyamantri Balika Cycle Yojana. Procurement process completed, beneficiaries to receive cycles through their schools. CBSE issues assessment rules for third language under new three-language policy. No board exam for the third language, school-based assessment to continue, students to be promoted without clearing it, but passing the assessment is mandatory to obtain the Class 10 passing certificate. Multiple schools in Gurugram receive bomb threat emails ahead of PM's rally. Police launch investigation, evacuate campuses and conduct intensive security checks with bomb disposal and dog squads as precautionary searches find no suspicious objects. Kerala government to launch Digital Square and Arise projects through KITE to strengthen technology integration in schools, promote scientific digital culture and creativity, and set up advanced labs for AI, robotics, IoT and drone technology with hands-on training for teachers and students. NTA extends deadline to 31st July for NEET UG 2026 retest candidates to update bank account details for refund of examination fees. Refund process underway for eligible candidates. Retest results expected on 20th July. Delhi government orders structural audit of all government and government-aided school buildings constructed before and during the previous administration after 108 buildings found unsafe, repairs, demolition and reconstruction to follow, students to be shifted to nearby safe schools wherever required. Odisha Crime Branch arrests former SCERT Director Manoj Kumar Padhe in school textbook error case after over 1,600 mistakes were detected in classes 1 to 8 textbooks, accused of approving print-ready manuscripts without proper verification during the NEP 20 textbook development process, allegedly causing a 175 crore rupees loss to the state exchequer, sent to 14-day judicial custody. MCD launches EduLife 2.0 digital portal across municipal schools to enable parents to track students' academic progress, attendance, midday meal distribution and school activities, while helping teachers digitally manage student performance and strengthen school-parent communication. Zoho launches AI-powered Classes 2.0 learning management system built in India for educational institutions worldwide, featuring AI-driven personalized learning, lesson planning, grading and career counseling to enhance student learning and teacher productivity. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.